Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Barstow, local, and long distance movers near me. Finding the right cheap Barstow moving company needs to be quite easy. With 3 Movers, you get the crew you want for a long distance or local move. We supply the best services for any type of move, whether commercial or residential. Our clients include all of the types of people from veterans to students and from house owners to business owners. If you need to move your organization or your residential property, our team is available to assist you. Our staff of qualified movers can ensure your long distance move goes efficiently. We help you with your move regardless of how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 2,500 miles. By using the right moving services to help you, any kind of relocation, large or small, becomes a lot easier. Our experts take care of all the needed moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. Choosing to work with local California moving company may not seem like it's worth the cost. However, after a close look at the primary advantages of hiring a local moving company, you're going to find that it's likely worth it. The time savings you get can make using the services of a moving company among the best decisions you've made. Movers can also assure you don't have to manage any of the heavy lifting. With our experienced movers, you get a very effective move throughout. 3 Movers knows how to simplify your move. Even when your move is big enough that it would take you all week, we can get it done in no more than one day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Barstow moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.